Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The formula bar appears underneath the ribbon. At its left end is the name box, which displays the address of the currently selected cell within your workbook. To the right of that is the Insert Function button, which looks like the function sign. The large bar to the right of that button is where you can see, edit, or create a formula to enter into the currently selected cell in the workbook. If you want to edit or change formulas after creating them, they appear here for editing. Later on, this feature becomes invaluable to you. For now, just remember that you should look into this bar to see the actual contents of the cells that contain formulas versus looking at the answers to those formulas that appear in the actual workbook cells.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.